Can a property management company help me manage my property? As a Fayetteville landlord and property investor, this may be a question you ask yourself on a constant basis. Stay tuned to find out how Linchpin Property Management can help you manage your Fayetteville property. Hi, I'm Lars Hutton, a retired military lawyer, licensed attorney, and CEO of Linchpin Property Management. Today's topic is, can a property manager help me manage my property? The short answer is yes. The long answer is you may not need a property management company, especially if you are physically located in Fayetteville, but it can only be advantageous for you to get one. While it may seem like an easy task to do, managing your own rental property is a time-consuming process and can become more expensive over the long term. It doesn't matter if you're physically located in the same city as your property or if you're a geographically separated property owner. At Linchpin Property Management, our over 36 years of real estate and legal experience makes us your best choice for your property management needs. At the most basic level, as a property management company, we will relieve you of the time-consuming day-to-day task of managing your property, and this will allow you to consistently keep a positive cash flow while ensuring that your rental property is not losing value. Additionally, it will allow you to shift your mindset from property owner to real estate investor. Once you understand that whether you have one property or multiple properties, you are an investor, you will begin to understand the value of having an asset management professional. Ensure that your best interests are protected and that you are not held liable for any violations of real estate laws that govern property management. Okay, so here's the dirty little secret about property management. It is highly likely that the person managing the day-to-day operations of your property does not have a real estate license. What this means is that your most valuable asset is being managed by someone who is not a licensed real estate broker. In fact, the person managing your property probably has not been through any formal training at all. What other asset would you turn over worth hundreds of thousands of dollars to a person who is not trained? At Linchpin Property Management, all of our properties are managed by licensed real estate brokers. As a landlord, this gives you the peace of mind to know that your property is managed by someone who knows real estate law and has gone through a formal training process to manage your property. Additionally, as the only attorney-led property management company, we are in a unique position to make sure your interests are protected both in and out of court. We are the point of contact between you and the tenant, alleviating you from having to receive countless tenant complaints as well as maintenance calls. As a property investor, your goal should be to develop your asset into one that is passive, a passive source of income. The more you are involved in the day-to-day management of your property, the less passive it becomes. In fact, hands-on property managed by someone who is not trained and who at times can become emotionally connected can be a nightmare. The relationship between you and the tenant should always be business focused. What we have seen is the relationship get personal when landlords and property investors attempt to manage their own properties. As your conduit, we ensure we will keep you informed about the decisions made with regards to your investment. We protect you from the headaches and allow you to enjoy the fruits and profits of your labor. We will work hard to make sure your property is rented, as we believe that an empty property is a drain on your resources. At times, some short-term vacancies can be expected, but the longer the vacancy, the more financial impact it has on you as an investor. From an asset management perspective, our goal is to maintain and increase the value of your asset. If your property remains empty, then we are not maintaining our end of the bargain. We will conduct all of the showings, provide you with the best possible tenant screening, and give you a tenant placement guarantee so you can have the peace of mind of knowing that your tenants are the right ones for your property. Another little known fact, at least among landlords, is that a lot of property management companies are not conducting frequent, routine inspections of the properties that they manage. And this includes the fact that inspections are written in your contract with the property management company, or they should be, and are a material condition of that contract. At Linchpin Property Management, we will make sure the maintenance and upkeep of your property is done consistently. From handling all tenant maintenance services as soon as they come in and calls, and coordinating responsible vendors to quarterly, bi-monthly inspections, you can rest assured that we will properly manage your asset. And what makes Linchpin different is that you can take more than our word for it. Once your property inspection is completed, you will receive a detailed written report identifying any deficiencies as well as our recommendation on what corrections need to be made. Additionally, you will receive photos and videos of the inspection, which gives you further trust that your property management company is taking care of your property. No other property management company does it the way we do it. Find out how we can help you manage your property by simply clicking on the link below or in the bio. If you have any additional questions, don't hesitate to give us a call at 910-236-9844 or stop by and see us at 2529 Raeford Road, Unit C7 in Fayetteville, North Carolina. You can also visit our website at www.linchpinpropertymanagement.com. Also, don't forget to like and subscribe to our page and newsletter. This way you stay up to date on the relevant facts and tricks to make you a successful property landlord and investor in Fayetteville, North Carolina.